Hello friends, today we are going to create an e-commerce website step by step using WordPress content management system. Okay, so if you are not having a core knowledge of coding and you are willing to develop $1,000 e-commerce website, then this video is for you. What we need to do, first of all, we have to go and buy a hosting name and register a domain name. Hosting means we are going to buy the space for our website, for our images, content, etc. And domain name is the name of our website, that is like www.google.com, ebay.com, etc. And in the third step, we will install the WordPress. Alright, so first of all, let's go ahead and register for a hosting plan. I'm just going on to the hostgator.com. Here we'll go ahead and select a perfect hosting plan for our website. By default, HostGator provides 3 different plans for our hosting. That's Hashling plan, baby plan, and business plan. Alright, if you are willing to have only one website and you want to host only one domain, then you should go with Hashling plan. When you are having multiple domains like mywebsite.com, myfriendswebsite.com, then you should go with baby plan as it allows to host unlimited domain names. So let's proceed. We can click on sign up now. Alright, now here we have to register our domain name. I'm just taking an example of myshopfume.com. Oops. Now let's see. Alright, so this domain name is available and it has been added successfully. Now we'll move on to the next step. Here it is auto checked add domain privacy protection. You don't need that, so just uncheck it. Now in the second step, choose a hosting plan. Package type baby, that's okay. Billing cycle 36 months. No, we need to go with only 1 month subscription. As if needed, then we can cancel it anytime. Here we can create a username like sample user, and here I'll create a security pin 1 2 3 4 5. And now in the billing section you can put all your details, your email, first name, last name, etc. Now on the right hand side, HostGator provides 2 different ways to make the payment. Either you can choose credit card or you can make the payment using PayPal. Now once you will make the payment, then at the bottom do you see here additional services? By default all these are checked. We need to just uncheck them as we don't need these options at this point of time. Now in the 5th step, we have to just review the order details like domain name, that's okay, baby 1 month, that's fine. Now here it is giving a discount of $2.05. Well, we are having another coupon code that provide around 30% of discount, that is Honey Host. You can also use this code for your hosting plan. Okay, so you can see here it is giving you a discount of $13.99, around $14. So let's proceed. You need to click on I have read and agree to the terms of services, etc. and then check out now. Once you will check out, then HostGator will forward the control panel details onto your registered email address. I'm not going to check out now because I'm already have the hosting name. So I'm just going to log in into my hosting control panel. It will be in this way. You will also receive your hosting credentials onto your email address. Alright, so this is the dashboard of our control panel. A lot of icons are here. We need to find the WordPress. Here's the WordPress. Just click on it. Now we are having the latest version of WordPress, that's 4.4.2. Now we are going to install the WordPress onto our domain name. Now here there are few steps that we need to take care of. Choose protocol, you have to leave it as it is. choose domain name. Here you have to select the domain name on which you are going to install the WordPress and going to create the website. So I'm just selecting shopfume.com as I have already added into my domain list. The directory should be empty. Here you can see the site name. I'm just leaving it as it is, and we can edit it later on. In the same way, site description can be edited later on. Here we'll create our admin username and the password. These details can be used to log in into a WordPress backend. That's called admin access. So I'm just keeping it username same and password admin123. Alright, so now third step is admin email. So you can put your admin email over here, and at last here you have to provide the email address on which you are willing to receive the WordPress credentials. So I'm just putting admin@shopfume.com, and now we are going to install it. It will take a couple of seconds, so don't need to worry about it. Alright, so WordPress has been successfully installed onto a domain, that's shopfume.com. Now this is the admin URL through which you will be able to log in into your WordPress admin panel. I'm just going to click on it and let's see. Alright, so here it is asking for the WordPress admin username and the password. So I'm just going to log in into my WordPress admin dashboard. That's admin username and the password is admin123. Alright, so this is the beautiful backend section of our WordPress website, from where we will manage all the contents like images, text, orders, everything. Alright, so we'll mark these tabs which has been completed, like this hosting name has been done, the domain name has been done, WordPress has been installed. Now the second step will be we have to install a WooCommerce compatible theme. So we are going to install the theme. We have to just hover on appearance and then themes. Okay, here you can see the website is installed by default with 3 themes: 2014, 2015 and 2016. We have to add new. Just click on this button, and here I have to just search out for iCraft theme. That's a beautiful WooCommerce compatible free theme. You can easily find this theme in the WooCommerce directory or WordPress directory. Then install it. It will take a couple of seconds. Alright, so the iCraft theme has been successfully installed. Now we have to activate this theme. Okay, so this theme has been activated. Here you can see active iCraft. Now this theme recommends 2 plugins, breadcrumb and template next toolkit. So we need to just begin installing plugins, and here I'm just marking both of them, and now we have to install it. Alright, so both the plugins has been installed. Now we have to activate these plugins in the same way. Just activate them. Now there's a little difference between installation and the activation. Installing the theme means we are just putting a plugin onto our website, but activating a plugin means we are just taking the plugin into the work. So both the plugins has been activated successfully. Now I'm going to launch the front end of our website to check how it looks like. Alright, now we can see here it looks a little bit beautiful. There's a top bar having contact number, email address, social links. There's a logo on the left hand side, one menu, a beautiful search box, a slider. There's a content area, and at the bottom there's a footer section. So now let's check into our notepad what all we have done. So here the installation of WooCommerce compatible theme has been done. Now we have to install the required plugins for our website. There are 4 basic plugins that we have to install: Title Remover, Black Studio, Site Origin Page Builder, and Site Origin Widgets Bundle. So let's proceed in installing these plugins. You just need to hover on plugins and then add new. Alright, so here we need to search for Title Remover, then hit enter, and this is the Title Remover. Just install it. Okay, now we have to activate this plugin. So Title Remover has been installed. Now we have to install Black Studio. So I'm going to add new, and here we can search for Black Studio and then hit enter. Black Studio is used for visual editing. This is the visual editor widget for WordPress. So just install it. And then activate it. So Black Studio is also done. Now we are going to the Site Origin Page Builder. So again, add new, then Site Origin, hit enter. That's Page Builder for Site Origin. Just install in the same way and now activate it. So the Site Origin Page Builder has also been done. Now the last plugin is left, that's Site Origin Widgets Bundle. So let's proceed. Again, Site Origin, and here we have to search for Site Origin Widgets Bundle. That's just install it and now activate it. Alright, so let's check into our notepad. So Site Origin Widgets Bundle is also done. Okay, so we have successfully completed 2 steps. Now we are going to the third step, that is set up the basic website, like creating pages, setting up logo, menus, footer, etc. So firstly we are going to create some pages for our website. So let's move on to the pages section and click on add new. Here we will give the name of the page, that is home, and this page is completely a blank page. We are not putting any content over here. We have to hide the title of this page, hide breadcrumb, again hide title using the plugin, and here default template we have to select page with no sidebar and then publish it. In the same way, we'll create another page, that is about us page. This page is also blank. We have to hide the title, hide breadcrumb, and here also we can select page with no title. It's totally up to you whether you can select the default template or page with no sidebar. I just love to create the website with full width, so I'm selecting page with no sidebar. And the last page that I'm going to create is contact us page. Let's contact us, hide title, hide breadcrumb, hide title, page with no sidebar, and publish. Okay, now here in all pages we can check the pages that we have created for our website. By default the WordPress create sample page. Now one more thing, in the home page we have to just edit this page. I left to select one option here, show default iCraft slider. I have to check it and then update. Okay, let's check back into the notepad. Pages has been created. Now we are going to setting up the logo for our website. So let's proceed. To set up the logo and other content, we have to go on appearance and then customize. It takes a couple of seconds to get loaded. Alright, so now here we can see there are a lot of options like site identity, colors, background image. To set up the logo, we have to go to basic settings, and here we can change file, and from the upload file sections we can select our own logo from the computer. I'm going to select my own logo, that is freebies. Okay, now click on choose file and save and publish. Let's refresh the front end. Alright, the logo has been updated. Now I want to update the contact number and the email address. So again, I'll go back to the basic settings. Here's the number. I'm just updating 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and the email address I want to create, that's email@shopfume.com. Save and publish. Again we can refresh the page. Alright, so the contact number and the email address has been updated. In the same way we can edit the social links on the top bar. I'm not going to change the social links, but you can select and change it from the social link section. You can put your own URL, like here I'm going to put facebook.com. in the same way twitter.com, flickr.com, and remaining I'm just making them empty so they will not appear on the front page of our website. Alright, save and publish. Let's check the front end once again. Okay, you can see the remaining blank social icons has been disappeared from here. Now our third step would be we have to create some menus for our website. By default, if you can see, there is about us, contact us, home, and sample page. I just want to keep the home first, then about us, and then contact us. So what I will go and do, I just need to close this customize section and go back to appearance and then menus. This is the section from where you can create your own menu, you can delete the menu, etc. So I'm just giving the name of this menu as main navigation, then create menu. Alright, now here you can see there are a lot of options. Home, that seems to be a custom link, so I just need to delete it, just remove it from here. This is home page, about us page, contact us page, and sample page. I want to remove this sample page also, and you can very easily shift them through drag and drop in this way. So it's very simple, very easy even for a beginner. Now here we have to select the theme location, that's navigation menu and then save menu. Alright, now let's refresh the page. Okay, you can see here home, about us, contact us, and this logout login option is only from the theme section, so we can't edit this section. But later on there are so many ways to edit it. Either we can use CSS or throw some advanced techniques. So we will learn those techniques in the next tutorial. Alright, so Let's check back into our notepad. Logo has been set up. We have successfully created the menus. Now we have to set up the footer section, but here I'm just going not to touch the footer section. We need to just leave it as it is. I'm just going to focus on the product listing onto our website. So I'm just leaving this footer section on hold, and we are moving to the fourth step, that is install WooCommerce plugin and create your own products. That is your first product. So I'm going to install the WooCommerce plugin for our website. Well, WooCommerce is the only plugin in WordPress which makes, or we can say which help us to convert our simple WordPress website into an e-commerce store. So here we can type WooCommerce and hit enter, and like the other plugins, we can install it. It takes a couple of seconds, so we have to wait for it. Okay, now we have to activate WooCommerce. Once the WooCommerce will be activated, then it will show you this window from where we can just click on let's go, and it will also guide us to create our first product very easily. Just click on continue. Now here, store locale setup. Here we can set up set the location of our store. Like I'm just leaving it as United States. If you are living in UK, then you can select UK, or India, wherever your store is located. Here you can select the currency, and also one more thing, these options can also be selected later on, so it is not compulsory to select them at this point of time. We just need to click on continue. Here, will you be shipping products? Yes, I'm shipping the products. And will you be charging sales tax? I'm just leaving this option as it is, and let's click on continue. Here it is giving the payments option. At present I will just enable cash on delivery, and then continue. And the last step, it shows create your first product. Just click on it. Now here it will guide you how to create your own product. It shows some hints, but I'm going to dismiss it. Okay, here we can give the name of the product. I'm just giving it as first product. Then in this section here, we can put the long description of our website. I'm just putting here long description section. Alright, now here we can just put the SKU ID. Well, it is not compulsory, but if you want to put your SKU ID, then you can put here in this way, SKU 001 or 02, whatever you want to name it. And in the next section you can see regular price. That would be the price of your product. I'm just putting $70 for my product. Now there's a next section is product short description. So I'm just putting short description here. Alright, now we are going to just set the product image. Again, I'm going to upload the product image. I will go back to my folder. Suppose that I'm taking this product. Then click on set product image. Alright, now we are moving upward, and here we can create the product category under which we want to show this product. So I'm just putting the name of the category like fragrance, and then add new product category and publish. Alright, so now let's check our product. I'm just clicking right click and open link in new tab. Let's see our product. Perfect. Here we can see there's a product image, the price of the product, short description section, the add to cart button, and at the bottom long description section. But if we will go back onto our home page, I'm just clicking on the logo. We can see it is still the slider and the demo content, but we are not getting our product on the home page. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to make the home as the front page. At present there's a default home page. Now I'm going back to the settings and then reading. Now here we need to click on a static page radio button and front page. Just click on home and save changes. Now let's refresh the front page. Alright, now you can see here the header section is same, logo, menu, slider, everything, but there's no demo content because we have placed the home page as the front page. So whenever you will click on the logo, the home page will be the first page of our website. Now I want to just put my product over here in this location. So what I'll need to do, I'll go back onto the pages, then home, and here we will use a short code in order to display our product. So there's a short code you need to keep remember. I just want to display a recent product onto the home page. So what I will do, I'll just copy this short code and paste into the text section. Always remember this should be the text section. Now click on update. Alright, now let's refresh the page once again. Okay, now you can see here everything is same and the product is listed on the home page. So whenever any customer wants to check the details, he can click on this product and then he will go back onto the single product page description. So in this way, now again if we want to create a new product, then there's a section products. Click on add product. Again here we'll put the name of the product, that is called second product, the long description, the SKU ID, the regular price like $40, the short description, we can set the product image, then click on set product image. It is here. We just need to select either this already created category or we can create a new category. As this product is the image is of a fragrance, so I'm just selecting the same category name and then publish. Now let's refresh the page once again, or let's click on the logo to go back onto the front page of the website. Okay, now you can see here both the products are visible. So in this way we can list our products on the desired either home page or on the about us page, or whatever the page you want to put the products. You can easily display your products using the short codes. So the short codes are mentioned in this way. If you want to list the featured products, then you can use this short code, and if you want to show the products by a specific category, then you can use this short code. And let me explain you how you can create a featured product. it's quite very simple. Just go back to the products list. Alright, so these are the two products that we have recently created. If you want to create the second one as a featured product, so just click on this star and it will convert it to the dark star, you can see here. So now this product has been marked also as a featured product. Again, if we want to show this product as a featured one onto the home page, then what we will do, I'm going back to the home page, and just below this short code I will just hit enter, and let's copy and paste this one, featured products. Here we can post and then update it, and let's refresh the website once again. Okay, now here you can see below is my featured product. So this is the featured product and these are the recent products, as this product is listed in two categories, in the recent one as well as a featured one, so it is showing over here. So it's quite very simple to create a WooCommerce website very easily using the WordPress. Okay, so now let's check back into a notepad. We have installed the WooCommerce plugin, we have created the product, and we have used all these plugins, all these shortcodes. Now we are going to create the footer section of our website that was on hold. So let's remove it from hold, and here at present, if you can see in the footer section, there's a search box, then recent post, then recent comments, archives, categories, meta, etc. So I'm going to remove all these things and going to create something different. So where we'll find this footer section, go to appearance and then widgets. Well, different themes have different options. The iCraft theme have the option the options of the footer as main widget area. So here you can see all these widgets: search, recent post, recent comments. I'm just going to remove them one by one, and I'll put my own widgets over here. Alright, so now let's refresh the front page once again. Okay, so now you can see there's no footer section. Now I'm going to create my own. So at present I'm just taking the example of custom menu. So we need to just click on it, selected main widget area, you can toggle like this one, and then add widget. It will automatically appear here. Here I'm going to create a footer menu. So just name it as site links, and then save it, and then toggle it. Now the second option that I want to put in the footer is a Google map. So I'm just finding out site origin Google map widget, click on it, main widget area, and then add widget. It is opened over here. Now in this section I have to put the address. I'm just putting London, United Kingdom. Here we can set the height of the Google map. I'm just putting 220. Rest all will be the same, and then click on save and then close. So it is closed now. Let's refresh the front page. Okay, so now here you can see site links and Google map is over here. Now in this section I want to just put a text section of having the contact details. So I'm going to just find out where's the text widget. Oh, here it is. We can just click on text and then add widget. Here we'll give a title, contact us. In this section I'll provide the address like XYZ London, postcode, phone number, email, and then I'll save it. Let's close and refresh the front page. Okay, here we can see that. Now one more section has been left, so I'm just check what widget we can put there. Let's try to put a calendar over there. Title, let's leave it as it is. Just click on save and let's refresh the front page. Okay, so calendar is also over here showing the current date. So in this way we can easily create a WordPress website and convert it into an e-commerce store using WooCommerce plugin. Now one more thing I want to do, at the top navigation bar I want to put a shop menu over here. So I'll go back onto the appearance and then menu section, and here I want to add a shop menu also. So on the left hand side you can see pages, then shop. Click on shop, then add menu, and here I will drag and drop it just next to the about us, then save menu and refresh the home page. So here at the top, home, about us, shop and contact us. By default, when we install the WooCommerce plugin, then it automatically creates 4 pages that we have to take care of: cart, checkout, my account and the shop page. So please never delete all these 4 pages, any one of these 4 pages, because these are the core pages of WooCommerce plugin. On the shop page, it displays all the products which are available onto our website. As we can see here, 2 products are available, so they all are showing on the shop page. Now let's come back onto the home page. I'm not touching the slider section, but if you want to edit these sliders, these text, button, etc., so you can go back onto the appearance and then customize. Alright, now here you can see there is a slider section. In the slider there's a slide settings. You can select the number of slides that you want by using this scroll button, then go back, and in this slide 1 you can select the you can set up the title, the no more, but the button text, the link from where this when we click on this button, then it should open which page, and the main image of the slider. So in this way you can edit all these 4 sliders, because this iCraft theme is providing 4 slide images over here. So in this way you can manage all those things. I'm not changing anything in the slider section. So I hope it will be quite easy for you to develop an e-commerce store, and for more tutorials please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.